NVivo Transcription is your automated transcription assistant. It's quick, easy, and precise. When conducting qualitative research, transcribing interviews and other audio files is essential, but can be extremely time-consuming. Previously, you may have manually transcribed the file yourself, enlisted the help of a research assistant, or outsourced to a human transcription service, if you have the budget. Now, you can let powerful automation technology take care of all of your transcription needs quickly and easily. NVivo Transcription provides automated transcription verbatim, giving you back the time and freedom to focus on analyzing your data. Let's see NVivo Transcription in action. Using NVivo Transcription is simple. You can work with a variety of formats and can expect up to 90% accuracy with good quality audio. It's easy to upload audio from your computer or mobile device. NVivo Transcription can transcribe a range of languages. Select the language of your audio file and click the transcribe button to start. Files are transcribed in a time span of half the length of the audio, so a 1-hour audio file will be transcribed in just 30 minutes. Once your transcription is done, you can edit and enrich using the transcription editor. Review the transcription and tag speakers so you can easily keep track of who said what. Use the dictionary to teach NVivo Transcription words, names, acronyms, and phrases that you want transcribed in a particular way. Play back the audio and follow along with text highlighting. Easily edits as you go. Use common shortcuts like Control or Command+Z to speed up the editing process. The latest version of NVivo has NVivo Transcription embedded directly within the modules, so you can save even more time with easy imports and exports to NVivo Transcription from within NVivo. Or if you're using earlier versions of NVivo, you can still export your transcribed file as a Word or text file and import it into NVivo, or use it with other programs. If you only need a small amount of transcription, purchase pay-as-you-go credit. Or for the best value, you can subscribe annually and access unlimited transcription for 12 months. Produce automated transcripts fast with NVivo Transcription. Try it now with 15 minutes of transcription credit free.